Hello people, today is a creamy pasta recipe. Join, let's cook. Some water, olive oil, salt. I added in this fusilli pasta stir and I'll cook it for 7 minutes. I added in the olive oil that I find in my tuna and I added in my tomato puree. I stirred and I added in ginger, onion powder, savio herb and thyme. I'll give it a good stir. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and follow us for more amazing videos. On your notification bell for more recipe. I covered and I cook it for 10 minutes. So I added in my yellow bell pepper, onion, shallot and some spring onion. So I gave it a quick stir. I added the tuna that I have. I used one big and one small can of tuna. So I will stir and incorporate together properly. So this, guys, is a quick recipe that you can make for lunch or even dinner. So I sprinkled salt because I tasted and it needed salt. So at this juncture, I'll cover it and allow it to simmer 3 minutes. So yeah, my pasta is cooked for 7 minutes, not soggy, but half cooked. So if you want to see how I make that cookie cream that I just added, I will leave the link in my right hand side. So you click and watch how to make cooking cream for pasta and spaghetti. So I gave it a quick step. Follow me on Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, the same name, Lady B Vera. It is free guys to click on my channel and watch more recipes. So once I was done, I tasted, I added just a pinch of salt again and I stirred. So at this point, I'm going to cover it and I like to cook on a slow heat for 2 minutes. So here is it, guys, ready, and I'll serve it. What gives me joy when eating pasta, guys? After this, you see me when I garnished it with oregano and prosemoli. I think prosemoli is called parsley in English, guys. It will take the taste to another level. So that is what I enjoy in my pasta. Look at it. Enjoy. See you. Bye.